So we'll go ahead and we'll create another page here, and we'll go back to our dashboard and we'll go to the pages area and add a new page. So we'll give our page a title and we'll call it e-commerce page. So that's going to be the name of our page, and we'll put some content in here. And what I'll do is you can actually paste content in here. You can right click and paste content in. So I've got content ready from before. So let's go ahead and remove our option to comment, and we'll add in our slug as well. Okay, so we have our text in here, and what we can do is we can style our text. So if we select we can select both paragraphs here, and as you can see, if you look at it, if we were to publish our page as it is now, our paragraphs wouldn't line up. They'd be all out of line on the right. So by default, everything is lined to the left. So what we can do is we can select our paragraph here, and we can hover over this is the justify option, which lines the text up square on the right and left hand side. So we can select it. And what we can do as well is if we decide we want to maybe accentuate the word successful, what we can do with that is we can bold it and we can italicize it from here. So you have the full list of options up along here that you can use to edit your text. So just going back to the order option here, you can leave this as 0 and they'll automatically line up beside the last page that you created. So if we go ahead and we publish our page, so that's it, our page is published now. So we'll view the page, and you can see it's given our slug, the e-commerce website. It's put the menu here, the menu item next to the last one that we created, just to the right of the last one. It's given it a title of e-commerce website, and you can see the text is lined up perfectly straight on the left hand side and on the right hand side, and the word successful is bolded and italicized. So we can see that it's given the heading automatically just by us giving the page a title. So say we wanted to add in a heading down here, we can go back into our page and we can click on edit, and just above the paragraph here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create, we're going to create a new paragraph. And how you do that is at the end of the paragraph, just click enter, the same way you would in Microsoft Word, and we'll give this a title, and we'll just call it a second title. Now, what we want to do here is we want to make this into a secondary heading. Now, WordPress has already gone ahead and created a main heading for our e-commerce website. So that's our heading 1. What we want to do is we want to make a secondary heading. So if we select the heading there, and where paragraph is selected here, click the drop down option and select heading 2. Now you can go heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, whichever option. Heading 1 is not advisable because more than one heading 1 on the page, search engines tend to look at it as spamming. So because we already have a heading 1 created automatically for us as the title of our page, we move to the next heading, which is heading 2. So if we select that, and it's already formatted the text as a secondary heading, and we update that, and we'll go back and look at our page again, and we have a second title there, as you can see. And you can do that throughout the entire page. You can add third level headings or fourth level headings, but it's very important that the only heading 1 on your page is the actual title that's automatically generated. Any heading you create from this point on should be a secondary heading, or a heading 2, or a heading 3, or heading 4, whatever the case may be.